Thinking about a career in real estate but not sure where to start? I'm David Priest, National Lead Trainer and Assessor at Entry Education, and I'm excited to introduce Real Estate Career Essentials, your foundation for success, a course designed to help you take the first step in the industry. In just 4 hours, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to kickstart your real estate career. From choosing the right role, whether it's sales, property management or buyer's advocacy, to understanding the skills and qualifications required to succeed. We'll cover key topics like how to ace your interview, what qualifications you need, and what your first week in real estate looks like. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to ask me anything during our live Q&A session. By the end of this course, you'll have the clarity you need to make an informed decision. And if you choose to continue with Entry Education, your certificate of attendance could help you secure a discount on future courses. Ready to take the first step? Join me for this career-ready course and discover if real estate is the path for you.